Where does the handguns go? Let's find two handguns to make a dual handgun, yeah? And all the retainers. I found my dual handgun. Wow! See my dual handguns? Let's roll. I'm finding a gun too. I used hellfire. Yeah, just put it down. No. Some dual handguns. I need to know where the slash fire hides. Because I just have a dual handgun and he has a dual retainer. Just hide it. I need to see him. Got it. On me? Bam! Not on me. I'm going to help. Finally, I found the slash fire.
ไม่เราก็ตีลุกขึ้นมาจากจุดเทป
I got the slash fire, see? And now I'm taking it. Uh-oh. Hey. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
And now my little brother said it. Please subscribe.